Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about hot packs or hydrocollector packs. They provide superficial moist heat to the part where applied. They contain substances like silica or gel which absorb the heat. They are stored in hydrocollector which contain water. The temperature inside the hydrocollector ranges between 65 to 80 degrees Celsius. The aim of hydrocollector pack is to raise the body temperature at 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Hydrocollector packs are available in various size and shape. The size and shape of the pack should be chosen on the basis of the area to be treated. The common size are small for smaller joints like elbow and ankle, large for larger joints like hip and back, contoured for cervical spine. Effects and uses. Effect on muscular spasm. The most important physiological effect of hot pack is that it relieves the muscle spasm very quickly. Local rise in temperature. The heat is transferred by means of conduction from hot pack to the skin and the superficial tissues. Local rise in temperature has many effects, including increasing circulation, relieving spasm and thus relieving pain. Increase in local circulation. The local circulation around the area is also increased. It provides fresh supply of blood and nutrition. It reduces waste products of metabolism from the area. Skin and connective tissue. Skin becomes supple and elasticity of the connective tissue is also increased when combined with stretching. Relief of pain. Pain is also relieved by application of hot packs. Contraindication: impaired skin sensation, open wounds, recent hemorrhage, skin allergy, impaired circulation. Advantages: easy to use, inexpensive, safer as compared to other modalities of heating. Passive stretching with a pack is possible. Disadvantages: sometimes patients fail to tolerate the weight of the pack. Active motion is not possible during the treatment. Method of application: preparation of the apparatus. Select the hot pack of particular size depending upon the area to be treated. Put the pack in the hydrocollector tank and allow it to heat up to particular temperature. Select the towel of a particular size so that 4 to 8 layers can be made. Between hot pack and the patient body, temperature is maintained up to 45 degrees Celsius, although the pack is having temperature of about 75 degrees Celsius. This is achieved by thermal insulator brought about by the towel. A plastic sheet is required between the hot pack and the towel to prevent the towel from getting wet. Preparation of patient. Explain the effect and procedure of the treatment to the patient. Preparation of the part. Ask the patient to remove all the jewelries from the treatment area. Check for any contraindication. Thermal sensation test is performed. Part to be treated should be relaxed and in comfortable position. Technique of application of the hot packs. The hot pack is taken out of the tank with the help of tongue and covered with the help of plastic sheet to absorb excessive water. Cover with the towel. At least 4 to 6 layers should be there. Now the pack is put on the treatment area for 20 to 30 minutes. A bell or some other calling device should be given to the patient so that patient can ask for help if there is any discomfort. After 20 to 30 minutes, take the hot pack. A mild redness is normal and a mild warm on touch is also normal.